Hello and welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are going to discuss the 2019 Iift paper. The first question says, in a triangle MNL, the line NP bisects the angle MNL. If NP is to NL is 2 is to 3 and angle MNL is 120, then find the ratio of NP, NL and MN. Now we start with NP and NL. And since the given as 2 is to 3 in ratio, we assume their lengths to be 2x and 3x. Now we don't know what is the value of Mn, but we have to express it uh, as a ratio with regards to Np and Nl. So let's assume the length of Mn to be kx, where k is some factor of x, which is the common factor between NP and NL. So now we see that the angle MNL is given as 120 and NP is the angle bisector. So angle MNP is 60 and angle PNL is 60. So now we have to first find out the length of the side PL. So we know by the formula of the side of a triangle, PL square is equal to PN square plus NL square minus 2 into PN into NL into cos of angle PNL. So Pn is given as 2x, so Pn square is 4x square plus NL is 3x, so 9x square minus 2 into 2x into 3x into cos of angle PNL is 60, so that is half. So we get 13x square minus 6x square, which is 7x square. So PL is equal to root 7x. Now we move on to find the value of MP. Now we know that the angle bisector always divides the opposite side in the ratio of the other two sides. That means in this case MP by PL is equal to Mn by NL, or in other words, MP PL is root 7x is equal to Mn is kx over NL, which is 3x. So we can see that x and x cancels out, and we can say MP is equal to k into root 7 by 3x. So we have to find the value of k from here. So we can write MP square is equal to Mn square plus NP square minus 2Mn into NP into cos of angle MNP, or we can write MP square, which is which we have found out as k by 3 root 7x, which means MP square is square of that. So that means k square into 7 by 9 x square is equal to Mn square is k square x square and NP square is 4x square minus twice Mn is kx, NP is 2x, and cos of angle MNP is cos 60, which is half. So we get from here this, and we notice that x square is a common term, So we can cancel x square throughout, and we get a simplified equation of 7 by 9 k square is equal to k square plus 4 minus 2k. And from this we can get 9 square minus 7 square will be 2k square, and then we have minus 2k into 9 is minus 18k, and plus 4 into 9 would be plus 36 is equal to 0, or we get k square minus 9k plus 18 is equal to 0. So that means k minus 3 into k minus 6 is equal to 0. So the value of k could be 3 or 6, but here in the given options we see only 6. So option 2, 2 is to 3 is to 6 is the correct answer.